Hey everybody, Chris here. So today I just want to go over briefly my plans for the Formula Vee for the winter. I'm just about to start taking it apart, so I figured before I took it apart, I'd go over with you what I'm going to do to it this winter. Uh, First thing, I'm going to take the engine out of it and get it rebuilt. 2020 was a pretty busy year. I ran 5 race weekends, so that's definitely enough time that the engine needs to come out and get rebuilt. So that'll be the first thing. Transmission. It's been a while since I've had the transmission looked at, so I think I'm going to take that out and have that shipped out for a rebuild also. Same with the shocks, front shocks and the rear shock. It's been a few years since they've been rebuilt, so I'm going to send them out, get them rebuilt. The second half of last year, I had both front spindles loosening up on me. The kingpins are coming loose, so I'm going to take both of those and send them out, get them rebuilt. What else? Those are kind of the big things. Challenge Cup, I think we're going to a new wheel and tire next year, so I'll be getting new wheels and a different tire. We haven't really finalized our plan yet, but we should be going to something new. And then really the only other thing is the brake lines. The brake lines on this car are getting pretty old, so I might go ahead and there's nothing really wrong with the brake lines, but I might preventatively just replace them because I do have a little bit of a leak, I think, in the rear master cylinder. I've been having to add fluid the last few weekends. And then the clutch fluid, I haven't really had to add much clutch fluid, but it is getting dirty whenever I check it. So I think it might be a good time just to replace the brake lines and be done with it. I've never touched them in the whole time I've owned the car, so I think that's probably ready for that. Other than that, that's basically it. Engine, transmission, shocks, spindles. So actually, it'll be a pretty extensive rebuild this year. And then just go through and check some other stuff like on the right front, there's a rod end that I know needs to be replaced, but it wasn't that bad, so I let it go. Just go over. I might take some of the body panels off and look for cracks, but other than that, just go through and follow my normal checklist and put the car back together with all these fresh things. And then hopefully it'll be a pretty refreshed car for 2021, and hopefully it'll help me go a little faster. That's pretty much it for today. All right, see ya.